Splat Midnight Magenta. It's vegan and it's cruelty free, so it's worth giving a shot. My predictions are, if this is light blonde and that's medium blonde, and I have dark brown hair but with red. This is from previous dye that has kind of just faded. It wasn't dyed this color. I'll try to find the color I dyed it. But my hair naturally ombres. So this is the before, these are my roots. This is the ends. All right, let's do it. I read the instructions and then I decided I need to do this in the garage where I have a bunch of plastic liners. You can use a shower liner, but do it somewhere where you're not gonna get it on anything. Keep it minimal in your hand. Don't just go crazy with the bottle. Try to keep it contained because the stuff does stain, and once it touches something, it is really hard to get it off. 2 tips. One, I already knew, and I think I was so caught up with the camera being too bright, I didn't think about it, but 1, use petroleum jelly, use Vaseline on your skin to protect it because it will dye it, as you saw. And then 2, make sure that when you go to rinse it, that you remove your shower liner and definitely remove your shower curtain. You definitely need a black towel or something dark, or a towel you don't mind getting stained, to wipe off your skin and to dry your hair with it. Okay, so what do I think? Let's talk about my roots. My roots did not dye. I did not expect them to. I don't mind the way it looks. These 2 colors go well together, and then I think I'm gonna like it even more once the roots grow out even more, you know, and it'll be a nice ombre. I like it. I think it's gonna be fun. I do think that having my hair this color or any other extreme color will make me feel like I need to wear makeup, or else it just looks too shocking when you're all el natural. Other than that, I'll say, yeah, it did more than I thought it would do on the lighter part of my hair. I still have a little bit left. There is a lot in here that goes a long way. If I really thought it would actually do my roots, then maybe I would do it if I cared more. But at this point, I'm just happy with it. Yeah, give it a shot. Let me know how it goes for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.